Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Mitchell and I am a recent graduate of the luxury finishing class by Giovanni and Tearsheet. I just wanted to jump on real quick and tell you guys what an amazing experience this has been for me. I learned so much about how to work an editorial shoot, how to pick wardrobe, how to work with a makeup artist, how to collaborate with a photographer. And I just wanted to give a quick shout out and let you know that if you want to level up your career and have support in and out of the salon, Tearsheet is the way to go. You want to sign up for this luxury finishing class. It is worth every penny you put into it, and it's going to further your career. There's so many opportunities that can be had from taking this class, from learning how to just collaborate with everybody on set, but tools that you can use, bone teasing comb that is amazing. The luxury finishing comb that Tearsheet puts out is an amazing tool as well. Pins, all different types of U-pins, bobby pins, on and on and on. There's a great experience for anybody who is interested in this. So take some time, look into it, get to know Giovanni and Evie Peterson. They are amazing people with an extraordinary skill of educating, and you won't be disappointed. Thanks so much, and we hope to see you on the team soon.